Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Healthy G1. In today's video, I'm going to share some tips for getting a good night's sleep.
Getting enough restful sleep is essential for our physical and mental health. Yet many of us struggle to get the recommended 7 to 9 hours each night. So here are some tips to help improve the quality of your sleep. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even on the weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, such as taking a warm bath or reading a book. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet and cool. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Avoid screens and bright lights before bedtime, and keep your phone out of the bedroom. Limit caffeine and alcohol intake, especially in the evening. Exercise regularly, but not too close to bedtime. Consider using calming essential oils or white noise to help you relax. Remember, everyone's sleep needs are different, so it's important to find what works best for you. But with these tips, you should be well on your way to a restful night's sleep.
Thanks for watching this video on Healthy G1. If you found this content helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an upload. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And as always, stay healthy and stay happy.